Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Pink color, red color, light green color, blue color, chocolate color, orange color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Star, square, triangle, hexagon, heart and circle. First we're going to draw the shapes. Star, next square, next triangle, next hexagon, next heart, next kids, circle. Now we're going to put the color. Orange color, star. Next, chocolate color, square. Next, pink color, triangle. Next, blue color, hexagon. Next, red color, heart. Next kids, green color, circle. What we learn? We learn orange color, star, chocolate color, square, pink color, triangle, blue color, hexagon, red color, heart, green color, circle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.